In this video, I'll share with you 4 dividend stocks that I bought in October 2024. If it's your first time on my channel, I work as a finance manager at a top tech company with an MBA in finance and a CPA designation. For some background, since March of this year, I decided to start investing $1,000 of my own money each month into building my new dividend stock portfolio. As of last month, I had $7,000 invested so far, and I'm up by 10% or $700, as you can see in my dividend portfolio dashboard. So without any further ado, let's go over the 4 dividend stocks that I invested $1,000 in October one by one. Dividend stock number 1, BP. BP is a global oil and gas company. At the time of this video, BP is valued at around $83 billion. I bought 10 shares of the BP stock at $31.88 per share, for a total investment of $318.80. After this investment, I now own a total of 20 shares of the BP stock at an average price of $34.42 per share. BP has a dividend yield of 5.82%, which means that they'll pay me $5.82 each year for every $100 I have invested in their stock. There are a couple of different reasons for why I'm investing in BP. First, it allows me to diversify my investment portfolio into the oil and gas sector, which is one of the most important sectors when building your investment portfolio. Second, BP has a very high dividend yield of over 5%, which makes it a no-brainer for any dividend stock portfolio. Another reason is that BP is investing a lot of money to slowly transition from oil and gas into green energy solutions. With energy demands remaining so high globally, BP's combination of high dividends and the future growth potential make it a strong hold in my dividend stock portfolio. Dividend stock number 2, Ford. Ford is one of the most iconic car manufacturers in the US. At the time of this video, Ford is valued at $43 billion. I bought 25 shares of Ford at $10.76 per share, for a total investment of $269. As of today, I now own a total of 50 shares of Ford at an average price of $10.91. Ford has a dividend yield of 5.54%, which means that the company will pay me $5.54 annually for every $100 I have invested in their stock. Everyone knows about Ford's historical struggles, specifically in managing its costs and keeping up with innovation. I think the current stock price is quite low, and it accurately reflects the company's past challenges, but it doesn't reflect the company's future potential yet. Ford has been making aggressive investments into the EV space, which can become a game changer for the company in the long term. As the market for electric cars continues to increase each year, this puts Ford in a strong position to become one of the future leaders in the industry. Dividend stock number 3, Hershey. Hershey is a major global confectionery company. At the time of this video, Hershey is valued at around $37 billion. I bought 1 share of Hershey at $190.88. Hershey has a dividend yield of 2.97%, which means that the company will pay me $2.97 for every $100 I have invested in their stock. What I like about Hershey as a company is its stability and a global brand presence. When investing into dividend stocks, you have to make sure to find those companies that are not only paying dividends now, but are also positioned to pay dividends in the future. And companies with strong and reliable brands like Hershey often do better during economic downturns or inflation because they sell products that people keep buying regardless of how the economy is performing. As I want to make sure that I'll not gamble my money away and lose it on my dividend stock portfolio, Hershey is one of those companies that provides my portfolio with stability and safety. And dividend stock number 4, Kraft Heinz. Kraft Heinz is a major food and beverage company with an extensive portfolio of household brands. At the time of this video, Kraft Heinz is valued at around $43 billion. I bought 7 shares of the company's stock at $34.24 per share, for a total investment of $239.68. Kraft Heinz has a dividend yield of 4.48%, which means that the company will pay me $4.48 annually for every $100 I have invested in their stock. Kraft Heinz offers a good balance of high dividend yield and stability. What I like about Kraft Heinz is its solid portfolio of well-known products, including Heinz Ketchup, Kraft Mac and Cheese, Philadelphia Cream Cheese, and others. A perfect way to build your dividend stock portfolio is to choose companies that have a diverse range of successful products. These types of companies don't just rely on the success of one single product for the company's entire success. If a company only has one successful product and it suddenly becomes irrelevant, then the company will go bankrupt. But for well-diversified companies like Kraft Heinz, even if one of their products stops performing well or loses market share, they have a lot of other products to keep generating consistent sales. This means that the company is less likely to face significant financial trouble, ensuring that they can keep paying me dividends for a long time to come. So overall, for October 2024, I ended up investing $1,018.36 across 4 dividend-paying companies. As always, I'll keep you updated on how my portfolio performs over time, so stay tuned for my future videos. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.